Good afternoon, gardeners. This is the DC Beltway Gardener in Denver, Colorado. I have not shared any garden footage in a while. Been quite busy, but it is Monday, August 28th. It's a beautiful Colorado afternoon. I've got a Cosmo flower coming up, but the best thing right here is that I can now declare victory on tomatoes. Little tiny tasty tomatoes. I got some there, and I have some sweet million tomatoes coming in right here. Looking for some sunflowers soon. So a quick share. I'll take that victory, as small as it is. Even with these grasshoppers around, we produce something. And maybe even a cucumber. Well, I've learned quite a bit this summer. We've got a few strategies to try. And have a great week. Like and subscribe.